guys, welcome back. Do you remember a while ago we were discussing Chelsea dolls and the play sets that come with her and how they can be really expensive? And I showed you these two from the dollar store that I think would make great alternatives, the slide and the swing. Now, I'm not sure which Chelseas these are going to fit, so I brought a whole bunch. We have a regular standard Chelsea, the 90s Kelly. Do you remember her from that charity bag of all of the little different mini Barbie stuff with Tommy and that weird little school one? We have our mini extra and our extra mini. I think she is going to be too big. I think the best is going to be between these three. But let's go ahead and open these up. These two right here were $1.25, $1.50 each. So for $3, you can have your own Chelsea playset to, either for your doll photos, collections, or if you need to gift these. They are a really good, I'm hoping, alternative so that if you don't have the money to buy those expensive playsets, let me move the dolls out of the way, you still can make something nice. And I've changed the background for today. It's grass to make it just that little bit more authentic. And these are just those sticker sheets. This one was $1.50 at the dollar store. So if you are trying to make a Chelsea playset and you just want to upscale it a bit, a little patch of grass is perfect. And I also brought in, just for some aesthetic, that barbecue we painted. You remember that was a fully pink barbecue that we updated a little bit. And one of our first from the camping series, the little Chelsea-sized picnic table. So if you add all these things together, you could have a really unique, budget-friendly way to make Chelsea accessories. And trust me, children, they don't care if they have a Stacy or a Kelly. Maybe they have both. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to little ones if they have a dollar store swing and a dollar store slide, or if they have the actual Chelsea Playhouse, especially if you make the dollhouse with them. That's what I did with my daughter. So these are really crinkly. I was hoping there would be more in the set. Aren't they fun? But really, it's just the slide and the swing. So, Dollar Tree, maybe we could get some more of these. I know they also had like a ski-doo or a jet ski and a pool. But honestly, do we really need to spend money on a little blue? It was very shallow, but it was almost the same depth as an actual Barbie pool when we can just use anything. These were the ones that I wanted, so these are what I went for. I'm going to say let's go with the slide first because I'm a little hesitant on that one. So they are fully in plastic, and it does have assembly instructions, and it is for ages 3+. They do call it Forever Friends Club. And these look like the little dollar store, Dollar Tree versions of Chelsea. So that doll would be somewhere in between these two. But I think it's bigger than this one. This is why I have so many dolls. So let's go ahead and just cut this open. I am so excited. I want to have, look at, I remembered my scissors. I would love to have a fully set up Chelsea play set. This is going to be huge. Look at the size of this. Okay. If you had a dollar store pool, you know what else you could use? Like a plastic container. Really. It doesn't have to be anything. Does this go? I guess I should have reviewed the instructions. It looks like it goes plastic side up. So it goes this way. And it should just clip and clip. Of course, I'm saying it should just clip and clip there. So the prettier side goes on the top, which makes sense. You would want the bottom side to not look good. This is so far a really easy assembly. And I said that, and now I can't get this side installed. Hold on. Bear with me. There we go. Just needed to clip. So there is the top. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cute. Why does it have, do you see this? Two, but in here. Is it so you can make it two heights? Oh, I thought it went up here at the top. It doesn't. It goes in the middle. Oh, boo. I thought it went up here. Could it go up here? No. Could it? No, it can't go at the top. These plastic, wouldn't that have been great? Okay, so it goes down here. All right. So we're going to line these holes to these holes and push. This is actually really an easy assembly. So this is like the handle. Look at how cute that is. If we had any form of container or even just a shoebox that you painted blue, you could have a water slide for your pool. I think we may have to make a DIY pool. Okay. Once it's connected, I'm impressed. Oh, there you go. I didn't even clip it in all the way. It's actually quite sturdy. Now let's check our dolls. Can our large doll fit? Okay, so she can fit and she can go down. She is a little too big. Let's try our mini extra. And she is going to go down. So she looks like she is about the right size. So far, that one. Now, if you don't have that one, let's try our regular Chelsea doll. And she is also, if you look at her going down, a pretty good fit. So, that's these two so far. And that tells me that Kelly, our little vintage Kelly, would also fit. All right. That is good to know. So now we've determined, don't use your mini extra. Unless this is all you have. If this is the only doll that you have, then you use that doll. But these ones are going to be your best fit. I like the fact that even though Chelsea is bigger than the doll that it was meant for, she does fit perfectly on the slide. And there is a Chelsea doll set or doll play set that has a little slide with a, oh my gosh, what is it? A ball pit at the end. So you could make your own little ball pit. Ooh, I'm coming up with some ideas. So there is our slide, and we're going to just put that over here. And let's open up the swing. So now as we start building all this, I'm hoping you're seeing these are some really fun, inexpensive ways, budget-friendly ways that you can make your own complete Barbie dream world. And I mean, if you don't like this, as long as it's not for children, you could paint it. But I kind of really like the pink and purple because, you know, I like pink and purple. This one looks like it's a bit harder to put together. And I do really like it says collect them all. And it's just the two. So it's a pretty easy collection. And let's face it, Dollar Trees are everywhere. I mean, we have them in Canada. So let's go ahead and get this open. Whereas not everyone has access to Walmart. And I don't even know if Toys R Us is back in the United States yet. And I know that here in Canada, Mastermind Toys just was going through some financial trouble. So same kind of thing. We have the two. Ooh, that's, oh my gosh, would you look at that? That's why the slide had this up here. These are the same pieces. That's amazing. Look at that. It is identical. So there is our slide. That means our swing is going to connect at the top up here. Okay, let's get the bottom in. I am excited. So now we know that the shiny part goes up. And we're going to clip and clip. I'm getting good at this. And then clip and clip. I am going to have to definitely do a photo shoot of Chelsea in the park. I think this would be great. And I'm throwing some dolls. That is what, look at that. And then if it was for the slide, that is smart on the manufacturer, because then you can use the same pieces twice. So good. Okay. This is the chair. Now the chair is where we might run into issues with some of the dolls. We might have issues getting their feet. But, oh, jeez, oops, dropped it. That is a really big baby seat. Where does this connect? Okay. Look at how easy this snaps together. Okay, if I was a child, I would love this. There's no right and wrong way on these. Okay. Oh, when my daughter was little, we actually attempted to make a swing like this for Barbie. Oh, I love this. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Let me move the slide out of the way. there is our swing. I'm just going to shift this over a bit so that it sits flat. There we go. There is our swing. Look at that. Let's try our dolls. Let's put our Chelsea in first. Yeah, see, she's going to be a bit harder. But she fits. She is a little top heavy, so you might want to hold her down. See, she's going to tip it over. Okay. But she fits. So if you're playing with your children, your grandchildren, whoever, maybe just kind of hold the top while she's swinging so she doesn't tip it. Oh, amazing. Let's get her out. Let's try our little mini girl here. Will she just slide? Oh, she fits too. But well, yeah, they're all a little top heavy. So maybe just hold it down and give it a swing. How amazing. I love this. I love this. Let's try our bigger doll. She has bendable legs and knees, so she might even fit if we put her in. Oh, look at that. Her shoes match. Oh, just took off her sunglasses. Can I get her in? No. She is going to be, maybe with some finesse. Yeah, she's going to be a bit. If we just take the baby part off, she might fit this way. And then we can bend her legs down. Okay, so she will fit if you take this part off. Look at that for a photo shoot. Guys, oh, I love this. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy these pieces and add them to your Chelsea playground, to your Barbie scenes, to your dream house? Let me know. Dollar Tree, this time, these two pieces are an absolute win from me. Look at the swing. Oh my goodness. So many things we can do with the slide too. We're going to have to use these pieces again. That is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are following me on Instagram and share photos of your dolls and your doll setups. Anything, any photo shoots, videos. I love to see everything. Thank you so much for following. I'll see you all next week. Bye.